Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video, I would like to show you my Janome Memory Craft Horizon 8200 QCP Here you can see the front of the sewing machine, the LCD display, and all the buttons that you can push for the different options. You have the speed slider and the thread cutter, your stitch controls, your backward stitching. And here you have your bobbin winder, a little storage compartment for your different feet, your spool holder, as well as a stylus for the LED display, LCD display. And this is all the different modes, all your different sewing stitches. You can also open the cover on the side of the sewing machine and see how well that's made in there. You'll want to dust that out periodically. And here's a close-up of your buttons for your stitching, your start-stop, your needle threader. It has an amazing needle threader, by the way. It works really well. And this is your LED light. And again, the LCD display, I don't actually have it turned on at the moment, but the different buttons that you press for your mode, how the stitching begins and ends, and the different settings that you can use. This sewing machine also came with a knee lifter and a lock, but the knee lifter is really nice. It just inserts in this hole you see there on the right, and it will allow you to have both hands free for your sewing. Of course, your turn knob that raises and lowers your needle, some tension knobs, your power supply, the outlet for your power cord, and to raise and lower your feed dogs. This is another view of the back of the sewing machine. There's also a storage compartment in the back as well as in the front. Then it has a nice, pretty strong, sturdy handle for carrying the sewing machine. And this is the front of the sewing machine as it's set up in my sewing table. And a nice bright LED light. It has a nice neck plate, nice and wide for quilting. And there you can see the display. It's really easy to read. And you have the drop-in bobbin, just a little push of a button, and the cover comes off. Then you just pop your bobbin out. You pop your bobbin back in so the thread is going counterclockwise. There's a little display on the cover that shows you exactly how to put it in there. And then there's a little thread cutter for your bobbin. I haven't had any issues with the bobbin cutter, thread cutter for the bobbin on this sewing machine. It's worked really well. Thank you so much for watching my video. This was just a quick overview of the Janome Memory Craft sewing machine. If you have questions, feel free to leave them below. You can hop over to my blog and read more about this sewing machine. And if you like this video, be sure to like it below and subscribe to my YouTube channel.